Hey everyone, welcome to Dichopedia. Today we will be learning about dictionaries in Python. So let's have a quick recap about what is dictionary. A dictionary is a type of a collection. We use curly brackets to define a dictionary. A dictionary can be changed after initialization and it has indexes in form of keys as well. Two terms which you need to remember and they are key and value. In dictionary, every item requires a key and its value. It has no duplicate members and it can hold values of different type as well. So now let's jump to coding. So open idle and create a new file and save it. First save it and name it as dictionary. After saving this file, let's create an empty dictionary first. So to do that, let's define a variable first and then this is how you define an empty dictionary. Just define two curly brackets. That's it. Save it and run it and it will print empty dictionary. So now we will create a dictionary called my data in which we will input two or three variables like name, there, and then age. So in this case, name is a key and user is a value. Same goes for age. Age is a key and 24. 24 is a value. Education, masters. Okay. So let first print our my data dictionary and let's check its output and it will print three elements: name, age, and education. So now if we want to print a specific item value or key value, so we will print like this my data and define a key for which you want to show or display its value. It will print name's value and that is user. So now, sorry for that, age 24. So now we can also use dot get function to get a key value, or you can say a value associated with a key. So now let's define edu in which your value will come into this variable and use dot get function and get our education value. Print edu, so it should print. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, so that was our mistake. I defined more than one time our dictionary name. So okay, oh, dot get and it will print masters. So dot get and define key name. That's it. After that, if you want to change a key value, or you can say a value which is associated with a key, we want to update that value. So let's learn how to do that. H, and I will print my data. So now our age value is changed. So now if we want to add or insert a new item in our dictionary like my data, so for that, my data, define a key, define a key name like country, and then define its value Pakistan, and it will print that key, and it will insert that key, or you can say a new item in our dictionary. So now what if we want to delete an item from our dictionary? So for that we can use del and define our dictionary key item, dictionary key item which we want to remove. So it will remove education from our dictionary. So we can also use, like for example, dot clear to remove all our element, or to clear out all the elements from our dictionary. And if we want to print, if we want to just print all the keys name in our dictionary, we can use items, and it will print name, Uzair, age, country, Pakistan. It will print all the keys and values as well in form of items. And dot values will print all the values associated with all the keys, and from the output we can see that it it outputs the values in our dictionary which are present in our dictionary. So now what if we can also use conditional logic to check a particular key whether it's present in our dictionary or not. In my data, print key found, else print not found. Key found, country is present in our dictionary, so it will print key found. So now in the end we can check the length of our dictionary by using len, and it will print 3. And in the last, let's delete our my data dictionary, and it will throw an error if we print our my data dictionary, and print, that means it deleted our dictionary. So that concludes our collection and its type. We first learn about what is collection, then we move on to its type, and first learn about what is list, and then what is tuple, then what is sets, and then in the end we cover dictionaries. So I hope you found this lesson very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon and share it with others. Thank you so much.